From the following information extracted from the books of Sarkar Limited, prepare a balance sheet of the company as at 31st March 2017 as per the Schedule 3 of the Companies Act 2013. So they are asking us to prepare a vertical balance sheet as on 31st of March 2017, and it should be as per the Schedule 3 of the Companies Act. Now, what is the information which is given? All the information which is given is in the legs. So when you just write down the rupees, तो rupees के बाजू में आप क्या लिखोगे? In lakhs. Next, long-term borrowings. So we have a head of long-term borrowings. Directly we are going to write down the amount over there. Next is share capital. Share capital में directly under the head share capital we are going to write down the amount. Fixed assets, that also it is tangible, so directly tangible assets के अंदर में you are going to write down the amount. Trade receivables, so see in this sum only the headings are given, directly you have to just write down the amounts. Trade receivable, we have a trade receivable का head. Trade receivable किसके अंदर में लिखते हैं हम? Current assets में share application money pending allotment. So this is a share application money का pending allotment, directly the amount is given. So if you remember shareholders fund के बाद directly क्या आता था? Share application money. So this will be written directly under the head share application money. Next to trade payables, current liabilities, reserves and surplus, it will be recorded under the shareholders fund. Inventories, current assets, cash and cash equivalent, again current assets. And non-current investment, so it is written under the non-current assets में. Then we write down fixed assets, and after writing down fixed assets, we write down the other non-current assets. The directors declared the dividend of 20 lakh after the balance sheet date. सिर्फ declare हुआ है, ठीक है? So if the dividend is declared by the directors, obviously it will be declared by a director, so it will be a contingent liability. और हम contingent liabilities को कहाँ पर लिखते हैं? After drawing the balance sheet as a note. Okay, as a note you write down the contingent liability. So let's start. Give the heading Sarkar Limited. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2013. Particulars. Now see in this sum there is no note, कोई भी नोट नहीं बना, तो हम वो ब्लैंक हो जाएगा कॉलम. रुपीज इन लैक्स, now depending upon it we are going to prepare first the head and then we are going to start with the posting part. First one, equity and liabilities. Under a shareholders fund, they have given us the share capital and reserves and surplus. So share capital, next heading will be reserves and surplus. Next, share application money. Do one thing, we will write down over here. उसके अंडर में नहीं लिखना है. Share application money. Then the third one, non-current liabilities. Under that, long-term borrowings. Current liabilities. Under it, trade payables. Total of liability side. Second will be the assets. First one, non-current assets. Under it, fixed assets, tangible assets, Other non-current investments. Then current assets. In that inventories, trade payables and cash equivalent and total. जितना इंफॉर्मेशन दिया बस उतना ही लिखेंगे. Let's start with the posting part. Long-term borrowings. The figures are in lakhs, 1,000. Next, share capital 780. Fixed assets, tangible assets में 1,200. Trade receivables 160. So under the head trade receivables 160. Share application money pending allotment directly under the head 20. Trade payable current liabilities में 40. Reserves and surplus 200. Next is inventories 40. Cash and cash equivalent 240. Next is non-current investment 400. Declared dividend will be written as a note. So after drawing the balance sheet, just write down note. Contingent liability. We only have a one, so it's better we write down liability. Inside it, you will write down dividend declared by directors. The total. Zero 40 to 040. And with this, we are done with our sum. So in this sum, there was no notes to the accounts. Directly, the figures were given and we just had to write these figures on their heads. In front of the heads, we have just written down the figures.